web programming using Python and JavaScript for Nicholas May for the CS50 Harvard course. I'm going to address each criteria. The first one is the pages criteria. I have 3 pages, that is index.html, images.html and advanced.html as per the expectations. I also have buttons in the top of each page, in the top right hand corner as per the expectations that link back and forward to each of the pages. That addresses the pages. Second criteria is the query text page. Here is my query text page. I'm on my search. You can click in the box and you can type in a query for anything. I will type in dogs, hit dogs, and it takes me to a dogs page about search. I'm in the UAE, so it's coming up in Arabic, but you can see it does the dog search page. Okay, I can also do a search for something else, cats, and it'll take me to a cats page, right? So the search criteria is fulfilled and the box is exactly per the Google styling. Round edges, center of the page, 2 buttons underneath as per the requirements. The next requirement is the Google Images page. I'm going to click on Google Images. You'll notice that the Google image changes. A couple of pictures of Harvard that I've put in there. We can do a search in here directly. Lions. If I do a search for lions, it'll take me directly to a lions page. Let's do it again. This time I'll do birds. And you'll see it takes me directly to the image page as per the expectations. So that has been fulfilled, the query images. The next one is the advanced query section here. Again, it's laid out exactly per Google expectations. I have all of these words, the exact phrases, as per expected from the expectations. I can do my search in here. I've already set one up. Mercedes-Benz. If I do all of these words and I do a search, you will see that it does a search for all of these words and this is the page that comes up. If I go back and I do the same search for these exact phrases and I do a search, then it comes up and you'll see it's in inverted commas this time and it's an exact search for those phrases and you'll see the page is slightly different. I do it again for all of these words and you'll see I do the advanced search and it comes up this time and you'll notice in the bar at the top here is or, which is saying it could be any of these words that are in the search, and once again a different result comes out. And now if I do none of these words, I'm going to put in here the Mercedes-Benz Heck Floss, and if I put the 220 SB, which is a version of the car that is available, but if you do the advanced search, again, it's coming up in the search box. You can see minus the 220 SB, but all of this has to be in there. And in fact, it's showing the 300 version of the same car. So the advanced search page works exactly as per the expectations. Also, in addition to this, I'm going to address the appearance. The appearance is using the Google style, I suppose, and I've addressed the blue button on the advanced page as per the expectations. In fact, I'll also address the aesthetics. I've used the Google aesthetic all the way through the pages. All 3 pages have a Google logo that's actually kind of different on each page. This one's got the edX. I've used the exact Google colors. I've used the exact Google font. I used the API to make sure I had the right Google font in my CSS. Now the last thing I want to address is the I am feeling lucky. If you click the I am feeling lucky button as per normal on a normal Google page, it takes you to the doodle page. But if you put a search in here, so if I put in dogs and then I choose to click the I'm feeling lucky page, it should take you directly to the dogs page. Now I'm going to click this and it actually takes me to a redirect page to the first page and then it goes to the dog page. Now this is a security feature that Google have put in recently so that people can't do that direct link without going through their page. In the feeling of academic honesty, I've done a lot of research on this and you can actually go through and put in a IFL SIG, which will get you directly to that page. However, the signature runs out of date after a certain amount of time, right? So if I'm making my video now, it would work in my video, and then as the lecturer, as you're checking it, it may not work in yours. So I've left it out. I've left that out, and I've done the BTNI as per the expectations for the criteria. So I think I've fulfilled everything. Thank you very much, Nicholas May.